Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the essentials. Confirm your internet can sustain 510 Mbps upload, then pick the platform and copy the stream key into your encoder. Once done, mount your primary camera and attach a directional mic. Make sure power and backups are connected, because interruptions kill momentum. You should also open the platform dashboard and set title, description, and latency options. This gets you from planning into immediate action, so the event can actually go live on schedule. You now configure the encoder and AV chain. Choose H, 264, set bitrate to 2500 5000 kbps for clear 720p 1080p, and pick 30 or 60 fps based on action. The Y is stability and viewer experience. Then route your mic through an interface, adjust gain so peaks sit below -6 dB, and synchronize camera audio with video. Next, build scenes and overlays, title, lower thirds, B-roll, and run a quick record to verify sync. You go live when everything reads green. Start 10-15 minutes early to greet viewers and spot issues. During the broadcast, watch bitrate and dropped frame counters, keep an eye on chat for audience feedback, and switch scenes deliberately to maintain flow. If network problems arise, reduce bitrate or switch to your backup encoder immediately and tell viewers about a temporary issue so they stay informed. After ending the stream, save a local recording and logs, because those files are how you diagnose and fix any lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.